one paintbrush, one chopstick, one piece of plant from the garden. Colors we're working with: violet, green, Prussian blue, light green, and yellow pale. One pre-designed with masking tape on paper. Let's get it. I call this the stained glass windows of opportunity. And if you take a look, you can see it does represent a stained glass with plants peeking through the glass windows looking for that opportunity. I think it turned out pretty good, and I like the imperfections and the torn paper because I don't want it to be perfect. I want it to be unique. So if this is something that you're interested in, I am going to take this once it dries and I'm going to upscale it make it into a fabric on Spoonflower, my Spoonflower account. The link will be down below. If you're interested in buying a pillow, maybe some wallpaper with this design, bed sheets, anything unique, definitely check out my link below. And coming for future videos, you will be able to purchase any of my art on a separate website, but that is a work in progress, and I'll let you know when it's ready. Hey, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you can't wait for my next art piece video, then by all means, check out this next video right here. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.